आठ दस बैठ कर बोला क्या था तो फिर तुलना नहीं कर सकता देखिए वो ले नहीं
ये टेबल है
और ये
फिर आप बोलना में वाला
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Amanjeet from India and we are the largest manufacturers and suppliers of human hair. Let me tell you that how human hair is taken and how it is processed and how the final product is made. Human hair in India is taken from the temples down south. People there donate their hair every day and we collect the hair from them. After that proper washing is done, then proper cleaning is done and then the wefting is done. The hair comes in the wefts and in bulks also. It is a very big process to source the hair from the temples. After that we have to categorize them from their sizes, colors, textures, clean them from lice, nits. Then we have to see which cuticles are in one direction and which cuticles are not in one direction. When the cuticles are in the same direction, they are known as the remi hair. And the cuticles which are not in the same direction are known as non-remi hair. We, in particular, our company, it deals only in the remi hair. We don't deal in non-remi. You must be knowing that the problem of the non-remi hair is the problem of tangling. And in remi hair, since the cuticles are in the same direction, so there is no problem of tangling. But when you remove the cuticle, no doubt there will be no tangling. But the strength of the hair will become just 20 to 30%. Supposedly the hair is supposed to last 1 year to 2 years, it will be destroyed in the span of 2 to 3 months. So remi hair is the best hair. Also, one more thing I would like to specify here is that we deal only in the virgin hair. The hair is totally not processed. Because if you process the hair, no doubt it will look very good. But when you color it, you wash it, it will start tangle. Only because it has some colors, some chemicals on it. The hair which we sell is totally virgin and remi hair. 100% virgin and 100% remi hair. Our partners in America, Judith or Gloria, as you all know, she is a very enterprising woman and she's been buying from us since a long time, and now as we all know, we are very happy to collaborate with her and sell her good hair. And I know that she knows what hair is and she can explain it to everybody that what hair is all about. But the purpose of this video was to let you all know that how hair is being sourced, how it is being cleaned, how it is packed, so that you all can see for yourself that Gloria is buying hair from genuine people and selling you genuine stuff. As far as the prices is concerned, we are giving you for the event very good prices. You know, I would not like to say that we will increase the prices after this, but then as far as this promotional event is concerned, we are offering you very attractive prices. We might increase the prices after this, but it will be a very slight increase, or probably we might not increase also, looking at the response of you people. But the main thing is we want satisfaction of the customers. We want that the people should be happy with the product. They should appreciate the product and then they should come back again to us and buy hair from us. So I would wish Gloria all the best for her event, and as you all know about her website, betterextensions.com, you can log on to the website, you can have a look at the website and all the products which she is selling. So all the best, Gloria. So now I would like you to, as you have to see around our office, our factory, and see how we do the packaging, how we do the quality control check, and how we proceed further. Thank you. So now I would like to introduce my wife, who is equally participating with me in this business, Kanika, and she will also like to wish Gloria all the best for the event, and she would like to speak a few words regarding her business.
Hi, first of all I would like to wish Gloria best of luck for her event. I wish her all the success so that we both are working long term in the future. Just to tell you a little bit about the quality, I am basically taking control of the curls and the textures and the colors that we are making. This is the color number 613, which is very difficult to make, but we take all care that in the color also the cuticles are intact. So even when you are washing them, or even if you are putting some more color on them, the extension does not get spoiled. This is the deep curly texture. This is not made with the chemicals, but this is all done very naturally. We put it in a steamer, we steam the hair, and then only the textures are made. So this is how we are curling the hair. So I would like to tell all the clients that be rest assured about the quality. This is the best quality remi virgin hair that we are supplying, and you are going to have no problem in this. The weft is 2 meters long, so for one head you are going to use about 2 wefts, 2 pieces of 100 grams each. And these wefts can be used over and over again. So this is the best quality, and again I wish Gloria best of luck for our event. Thanks.
There you can see this is where the hair is washed and cleaned. This is our washing section. As you can see, so many people who are washing the hair. Remove it for dirt. After the hair is wefted, we bring it for the final washing. These are the bulk ones, these are the wefted ones. As you can see. See you? As you can see, we have appointed one. We have one person who takes care of the quality, that everything should be done properly. The person in the white shirt, he is our quality control manager. He will take care of everything, that each shirt is washed properly. After washing, we place this here to dry. सब ना हो गई वॉशिंग लंबे पैके वाल ऊपर बात पढ़ाई पढ़ाई है गिल्ले गिल्ले सर हाँ सारे पकड़ो खड़ा ये बनना तो ठीक है So this is how we measure and we pack the wraps. You can see that we have a person who takes care of the quality. He will make. चल, as you can see. जब ऐसे डालेगा 100 वाले तब कर लेना, ठीक है ना? आधा विनोद, you can see it's 0. हाँ ये डालना, ठीक है? निकाल, हाँ. अब डाल जल्दी डाल. ये शॉट ले लेना ना, ठीक है? ठीक तो फिर करो 5-6 कर लें, थोड़ी इधर उधर घुमा के करना ना. ठीक है जी. Takes care of the length, that all the hair, if it is 20 it has to be 20, if it is 18 it has to be 18. He takes care of the length. He measures it first. After the weight he measures it and then it is finally packed as per the customer's requirement. It will be better already. ये ना है नाम बुखारी का है ना, बिल्डर से है ना, नाम कैसे